Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in a Kia Rio. First, let's prepare. You'll need a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Have about 4 quarts of 5W20 engine oil and a new filter ready. Always prioritize safety. Lift your car with a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands on a level surface. Briefly warm the engine, then turn it off. Now let's get that old oil out. Find the oil drain plug, usually a 17mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, being mindful that the oil might be warm. Let all the used engine oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. With the old oil draining, it's time for the filter. Locate the old oil filter, often found near the oil pan. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove it. Be ready for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by about a quarter turn with the wrench. Once the old oil is drained, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to about 30 foot-pounds. Now under the hood, remove the oil filler cap. Slowly pour in about 3.5 to 4 quarts of fresh 5W20 engine oil. Replace the cap, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and look for any leaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.